Rolec Wallpod is one of the most popular entry-level EVSEs, especially in the United Kingdom, as it seems to me. It comes with lots of different color and configuration options. I bought it from an online shop in the UK, where the price was at least €100 less than EVSEs sold in Estonia. In addition to the low price, it should have very simple internals and thus be easily repairable. Here you can see me unbox it. As you can see, there's not much in the box except for the EVSE itself. I went for the 16 amp version without cable, because there is a Type 2 cable included with my Nissan Leaf anyway. In the top there is the circuit breaker with overload protection, and in the bottom the Type 2 connector, both with nice waterproof sealing. So the EVSE has now been installed. Because it's quite an old house, we didn't put much effort into hiding the cable. So the cable goes just where there was some previous cable and into the house. Right now it's turned off, but if I open the circuit breaker cabin and turn it on, then it will start flashing with blue color. Usually we turn it off because a light blinking next to the main entrance is quite disturbing in the evening. But just to give you an example, here is the charging cable, Type 2 cable that came with the car. The thicker end of the cable goes to the car side. It's locked. And the narrower end of the cable goes to the EVSE. As soon as I push it in, there is a clicking sound and it is charging. And it is quite surprising to see in the Nissan Android app that the car thinks it's charging with 6 kilowatt charger, although it's just 16 amps and it should be closer to 3 kilowatt. So from my current experience, average charging speed with this charger is about 10% in 1 hour. A bit less, actually, more like 9%. But so far I'm happy with it. Let's see how it survives the winter. So again, thanks for watching. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe to the channel.